Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are here up on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It's A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Today you see we are putting down the vapor barrier to prevent the moisture from coming up the soil into the house. And we're cutting out the holes around the plumbing and putting vapor barrier around that to protect it from the cement seeping into the pipes and also affecting the pipes themselves.
Here you see Anne removing from a stack of styrofoam some R10, which is 2.5 inch thick insulation, and we are putting it above the vapor barrier. What that does is creates a barrier, heat barrier between the vapor barrier and the actual cement floor. So where we are at this, you'll see us in the process a couple times. We put down the vapor barrier and then we put down the insulation, tape it in place with special tape for styrofoam and also vapor barrier. So we're going to do this a few times. It's a lot of work, but we enjoy it. As Anne is continuing to put down the foam, I'm starting to bring in the 6x6 wire mesh, and we are going to continue this process all through the whole 4,000 square feet of the building. Another reason that we are putting down the mesh down over the styrofoam is to keep the styrofoam under wraps. Last thing we have to do in ground is the propane entry, and we are doing that at the moment, and that is just before we finish doing the insulation.
As you can see, we are on the home stretch of the last corner of the house, which it was an extremely hot day that day while we were finishing up. At one point you're going to see that we are doing work and Dean was worried about my health, so he was putting insulation over top of my head to give me some shade as I was taping up the last of the pipes so that we can put the insulation down so I don't get heat stroke. Meanwhile, he takes the brunt of the heat out in the sun without any shirt on. To say the least, he got a little bit of a heat stroke that day. But we managed to finish that section off. And here's some photos of the finished product of all the taping and wire mesh and all how it looks today. As you can see, we got her done. And thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you.